Hello children, welcome back to our English class. Yes children, in our last class I have explained you about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Today I would like to explain you about possessive pronouns. About possessive pronouns. As I have told you about the meaning of the possessive, that is ownership. That is ownership. Here also, more or less, the meaning of the possessive pronoun is same. It's a same, children. Possessive pronouns are also show ownership. Possessive pronouns are also show ownership of a noun. Ownership of a noun. And let us see where we use these possessive pronouns. Where we use these possessive pronouns, children. Yes. Unlike possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns are used in place of a noun. In the place of a noun. Yes. Unlike possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns are used in the place of a noun. In a place of a noun. It means instead of noun, we use possessive pronouns. We use possessive pronouns. Okay? Yes. The third point here. The words mine, ours, yours, his, her, its, and their, Yes, these are the possessive pronouns used in a place of a noun in the sentence. Let us see the words mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs, Yes, these are the possessive pronouns used in a place of a noun in a sentence. Yes. Generally, everybody knows possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, children. But we don't know what exactly we call them. Once I explain you, it will be easy for you. Then later, you yourself say to me, ma'am, these are the possessive pronouns. How easy. We already know them. As we use in a day-to-day conversation. But here we should know the words which we use in a place of possessive pronoun. Should know exactly what we call them in our English. Okay? Yes. One more time. Yes, it is a possessive pronoun. Like possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns also show the ownership. Or possession. What we call possession. Possessive. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-V-E. Possessive. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-V-E. Possessive. Possessive pronouns. Pronouns are introduced in your previous standards, children. Pronouns are used instead of nouns. Pronouns are used instead of nouns. Here we learn about possessive pronouns. Okay? Yes. The second point. Possessive pronoun is used in a place of a noun. In a place of a noun. Unlike possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns are used in a place of a noun in a sentence. The words are mine. Repeat after me, children. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and their. Yes. Yes. Now, let me explain you with few examples. And quickly underline the possessive adjectives, pronouns. Okay. The first sentence is, this dog is mine. This dog is mine. Here it is showing the ownership. Ownership of a noun. This dog is mine. This dog is mine. Here I have told you the possessive pronouns are used in a place of a noun in a sentence. Here it is. This dog is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun used in a sentence in a place of a noun. In a place of a noun, yes. This dog is mine. This dog is mine. As I have told you, mine is a possessive pronoun which is used in a place of a noun. This dog is mine. It shows the ownership. Second sentence. That house is ours. That house is ours. Here again, if you see, what is possessive pronoun in the sentence? Can you tell me? Yes, children. Ours. Very good. Ours is a possessive pronoun used in a sentence in a place of a noun. That house is ours. That house is ours. It's showing the ownership. Yes. Third sentence. This pencil is yours. This pencil is yours. Here, what is the possessive pronoun? Yes, children. Yours. Very good, right? Yours is a possessive pronoun used in a sentence. Very good. The fourth sentence is, the red purse is hers. The red purse is hers. Whose red purse is that? The red purse is hers. Here hers is a possessive pronoun. Yes. After going through the examples, hope you easily find out the possessive pronouns which we use in a day-to-day conversation. Day-to-day Conversation. Yes. Like every day when you do the conversation with others, identify the possessive pronouns, identify the possessive adjectives, and make a list. Make a list of possessive pronouns, possessive adjectives. Understood? Okay. Now, let me write possessive adjectives in a side, possessive pronouns in a other side. Yes. Hope it is now easy for you to find out what are possessive pronouns and what are possessive adjectives. Yes. Quickly we write down some possessive pronouns in a side, possessive adjectives in the other side. Okay? Yes. Possessive adjectives. Yes. Possessive pronouns. Tell me quickly what are the possessive adjectives, children? Yes, quickly tell me. Yes. First one is her, my, their, are, his, your. These are the possessive adjectives. Tell me quickly the possessive pronouns. Yes, children. Mine. Very good. Next one is ours, yours, hers, his, theirs. Okay, these are the possessive adjectives and these are the possessive pronouns. Her, mine, their, are, his, your. These are the possessive adjectives, whereas the possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, hers, his, theirs. These are the possessive pronouns. Yes. Now let us do quickly an exercise, children. An exercise. Yes. This is dash house and that one is dash. This is dash house. This is your house. This is your house and that one is your or mine. That one is mine. That one is mine. Very good, children. The second one. Dash crayon is broken. Dash crayon is broken. What we can write here? Dash crayon is broken. Can I borrow dash? Can I borrow dash? Dash crayon is broken. Blank crayon is broken. Yes. My crayon is broken. Very good. My crayon is broken. My crayon is broken. It is a possessive adjective. Can I borrow? Can I borrow blank? Now tell me quickly. Yes, my crayon is broken. Can I borrow yours? Very good. Can I borrow yours? Yes. Mohit found dash gloves. Mohit found dash gloves, but Mahi could not find dash. Mahi could not find dash. Here, Mohit found his gloves. Mohit found his. What we should write in a blank? His children, yes. His is a possessive adjective. His is a possessive. See children. Mohit found blank. Gloves. What we should write here? His gloves. His gloves. But Mahi could not find dash. Tell me children. Mohit found his gloves, but Mahi could not find. Yes, his gloves. His. Mahi could not find his. Here. Yes, children. Mahi could not find hers. Hers. Mahi could not find hers. Mohit found his gloves, but Mahi could not find hers. Here, his is a possessive adjective and hers is a possessive pronoun, children. Yes. So, this is about possessive. This is about possessive pronoun. So, hope everyone understood what is a possessive adjective and what is a possessive pronoun. Yes, after sending this video to you, I would like to give some exercise by WhatsApp, through WhatsApp. Then it would be very easy for you to understand what is possessive adjective and what is possessive pronoun, children. Okay children, bye bye. Thank you.